Hi friends, this is Subrat here and this is 34 video on my Python series, and in this video I am going to cover about Python list append function. So let's start. So I have prepared some slides regarding that. So we have to understand first where I can use my append function and how to use it. So we have already seen how to use the insert function. So insert function is used to insert the value at a particular index position. But in case of append, whenever you want to add some values inside the list at the end position, then you can use the append. So as the meaning of append, you are just appending something at the end of the list. So here in case of append, we don't have any index concept. You are not appending, or you are not adding a particular index. Here if you are using the append function, the item will be added at the end of the list. So let's see the second point here. The append method adds a single item to the existing list. It doesn't return a new list, rather it modifies the original list. So append method doesn't return a new list. It will just update your original list and it will return that only. So it is only updating the original list. It is not returning any list. It is updating my original list only. So let's see how to use this append function with different examples. Suppose I have lst, and inside that I have some string variables cat, dog, fish. Suppose this is my original list. Let's print that first. If I'm printing it, I'm getting the all the elements inside the list. Suppose I want to append one more animal inside my list. So how to do this? I can use lst dot append of the item or the element you want to append. Suppose I want to append a tiger inside my list. Then let's see, lst, if you are printing, the tiger will be appended at the end of the list. It is not appending at any particular index position. It is just appending at the end of your list. So this is a straightforward function, append function. So mostly we frequently use the append function whenever you want to add the new element inside the list. Then you can use that time append function. So friends, this is all about append function. I hope this concept is clear. If you guys have any doubt regarding the append function, you can leave a comment under my video. Thank you.